Rajya Sabha laga MP Pangnon Konyak pra Rahul Gandhi pra tagi misbehave kurise guina itu allege kura ami khan sob manu jani ase itu laga opor de luigina joagali evening hours te Congress Bhawan laga pahar de BJP party workers khan tan ahi kena protest kurabi ami khan sob manu dikhi paise aji laga din de yede Congress Bhawan de Congress party khan pra ekta press conference diise press conference te kotha kurigina ja homoi tahan itu koise ki as Pangnon Konyak pra kundu allegations tigina ase itu to baseless ase aro misa ase gina press conference dia tamde janai dise kutagurina ja homoi itu bi guise ki jodi usalabi misbehave kurina thagile tu CCTV an ase proof anibi proof na thagigina do enga baseless allegations kan na dibi guna itu koigena ase kutagurina ja homoi itu bi koise ki BJP party do ile do manu hangi mislead kurole ekla jane aro instead of bringing development false propaganda hani di thage unai do press conference dia dam de Congress party kan itu kuise aji laga din de press conference te itu bi kuise ki joagali BJP party kan kundu protest kurise itu do le do Congress laga premises te protest kor laga ase kuise aro itu question kure ase ki kun law enforcing agency pra permission dise aro itukla nohoy ulibi Congress kan laga dukan bi bon gurigina itu protest kurise ko ase itu nimide itu dukan kan bon gurlibi kunba permission dise na itu question raise kure ase ahibi aji laga press conference kuntu Congress party ba digena ase ami kan detail pra sai lobo
itu kali evening laga issue BJP kan bra ami kan laga Congress Bhavan laga front te boigena silent protest koigena itu protest kura laga issue te moi itu kobole mon ase itu bujibo lage BJP kan bi ekta ami kan laga Congress aro BJP bidor de ekta alag thaga du tai kan laga itu forceful thage ami kan du ini kan hoy kile moi itu ko ase kole tai kan du ami kan laga de order bi lo nai tai kan Congress Bhavan laga front te ase koise olibi itu to am khan la mati ase tate dukan khan kile bon kur dise kun logo to authorize mangse itu hudi boilo mon ase law enforcement khan logo to kun logo to order lise kile mane am khan jana ase ami khan tu naga mana ase ekta am khan laga len law ase tu kun holibi ami khan tai khan tu BJP khan tu office dharna kurbo na pare neki na iman Dimapur district iman dangur de jaga paina neki itu dharna lobo nimte ami khan laga office te aigena ami khan laga dukandar khan itu to tai khan tu ami khan la pette lat mara isana ase to dukandar khan tu itu festive season ase income itu tam de ase tai khan laga dukan bon gurdie inika gurgena tai khan protest kurbole dukan ban gurdie itu to ekdom mystic ase aro law enforcement khan bi bujibo lage tai khan government thakle bi tai kan tu law enforcement ase ami khan ke order relation lo nai itu bi am khan ke hode nai aro tai khan lobo gole public dosra jaga de bra lobo lage olibe am khan laga main am khan la office laga door te ineka kure ineka darna loikena hala hangama kura ase itu tu mano ja ha kura la pas rasta ase do tu public ke bi man hangama di dise si judi Congress laga soman biya kur dise nohole bi Congress laga gorde jiula dise nika festive season de nohole bi kiba kibi biya hoche dimesh hoche gole kun laga rex kuro law enforcement tu ta khan laga rex lobo no lobo to aro am khan logo de ikuno hodige na khushi bra nika jadu itu tu nem no hoy itu bra am khan BJP khan logo de bi ko ase BJM pra initiative lagine itu dharna korse BJM kun itu lead kurgene itu korse jodi ami khan pra ta khan la office laga age te inika office ta khan laga bon kur digene inika dharna koro gole ta khan ki bhabibo na ta khan ki bhabibo aro government law enforcement to ami khan tate lobo gole order dibo no dibo itu bi moi hude ase question itu bra inika kot holibi ta khan tu forceful government ase BJP khan tu center tv aro state tv inega ite am khan tu festive season ase sob manu senti hogena peaceful hogena khushi para njer la bosti de jagena program de boy ase suddenly আমি খান অফিস থাকে না এনেকা হাঙ্গামা করাছে যদি আমি খান মানু গড়তে বস্তিতে না যায় কিনে এতে থাকি কেন জেকরা বাজি করলে কোন লারেক্স আছে ল এনফোর্সমেন্ট তাদের কি কব পারে হাঙ্গামা ওলাইছে বলে তাতে এটলিস্ট বেশি মানুষ আই কেনে থাকছে তো জেকরা বাজি বাঙা বাঙি এনেকা ইস্যু ওলাইছে বলে কোন লারেক্স আছে তোমরা ল এনফোর্সমেন্ট খান বি তো কোয়েশ্চন হদি আছে আমি ইতুলা কই আছে আৰু আমি খান লাগা পার্টি ওয়ার্কার্স খান আছে তাই খান বি ইটো itulah concern kita kan lah issue ekta duita kobo to moi time dia ase am kan la NECI laga president Nagaland state chokka ke dia ase time.
Good morning everyone. Thank you media friends. Itia ami kan national level de issue hado kali BJP kan nide process kurishi. BJP laga Rajya Sabha member Konyak pra ami kan la leader Shri Rahul Gandhi lo oporde baseless allegation kurado আমি itu strongly condemn কৰি আছে আৰু এনেকা একদম serious allegation একটা important position de ধৰি কিনা একটা significant chair de বহি কিনা without any evidence without any proof এনে allegation দিয়া তো একদম serious আছে আৰু আমাৰ লাগা itu Rajya Sabha MPB তাই বি itu understand কৰিব লাগে তাই position ধৰাটো খালি যদি আমি হানলা media personal কোনবা লদে ৰলিবি এতিয়া আমান একজন লদে কিবা personal issue হৈছে আৰু without any evidence আমি যাই কিনা পুলিচ লদে FIR কৰি দিব নলিবি এনেকা মিডিয়াতে যাই কিনা allegation এনা ৰেজ কৰি দিব or vice versa it will set a very wrong precedent itu একদম serious আছে একদম dangerous আছে itu bra আমি হান itu strongly condemn কৰি আছে আৰু এতিয়া আমাৰ পাৰ্টি বি ডিমান্ড কৰি আছে itu তাতে CCTV ফুটেজ খান বি থাকিব তো itu খান evidence থাকিলে proof থাকিলে produce কৰিবি আৰু যদি itu evidence আৰু proof provide কৰো না পাৰছে গলে তো itu আমাৰ Rajya Sabha MP do she should publicly apologize আৰু কালি BJP খান কালি ধাৰণা কৰা do আৰু তাহান ইতে আহি কিনা apologize কৰিব লাগে আৰু ইটো banner do আমি পৰা বনাই দিব thank you
for the last 10 years BJP খান tahan laga only objective is to destroy the image of Shri Rahul Gandhi ji along with the media fraternity along with the Godi media which we all know Godi media we na India de takan lugena BJP whole system Rahul Gandhi la image destroy globally type message one nation without any proof taige itu baseless allegation dhali ase na duita MP itia hospitalized ase gushe ICU di ase gushe holibi proof ku di ase Rahul Gandhi pra dhakai gina tahan ki girai dishu gushe but there is no proof our honorable MP Rajya Sabha taibra allegation dia do should be baseless ase tai Oting massacre 14 Naga civilians morate ekta bi kotha goshina gane didak hoilibi tai laga master itia Modi go tai ke safe kuru bole o tai la master Amit Shah ke safe kuru bole itia dahan diversion tactics na only they are playing diversion tactics only otherwise they don't have any proof yet ito karne one is na we condemn whatever the BGYM has done in front of office
I would like to give my special thanks to all the media brothers and sisters for giving us this time and the privilege to speak as the democracy gives us this authority. And my heartily thanks to all the Congress party members, all the dignitaries here on the stage. See, the biggest issue is that BJP is always trying to mislead the people. Whenever the election comes in, they try to create some or other side issues to mislead and misguide the people. Whenever any other serious issue comes in, they always try to forecast some other issues. The only point with this party BJP is instead of working towards a development, they want to always create some other propaganda. And still, if you see the money which they had spent in spoiling the image of Congress party and Rahul ji, in case if they would have spent this money on the economic system improvement, the poverty could have been eradicated to a very big extent. They do not know how to work on the finances and the economy of this country. If you see the taxes, it's rising. They do not know the value of the democracy and the constitution. Every time the Congress party is raising the issue that we support the constitution of this country, we should not forget that the independence what this country is enjoying today and the constitution what we are enjoying today, the system what we are enjoying today, it is all given by the Congress party, not the great Savarkar of BJP. In very simple words, we stand with Gandhi and not Savarkar. We stand with peace and not the hatred. We have the authority to speak. We have the authority to ask the question. And BJP do not like that somebody asks the questions to them. Every time we see that they try to condemn or they try to speak against Rahul Gandhi and put the false cases, and every time they are proved wrong. Even this time, the similar situation is going to happen. You see, the person gets admitted in the hospital with a small bandage. After 3 hours, the bandage goes bigger. This is a miracle actually, which we have never seen. This is only a showcase, or what they're trying to exhibit to the nation is something very different and fake. We have to understand the Manipur is still burning. We have to understand the rising issues in Assam. We have to understand that this is the festive season. We are praying for the peace and the integrity of the country. We have to understand that there are disturbances in Bangladesh, the neighboring country. We have to understand that there are many issues which is going inside the country. Why the BJP do not speak over it? Why don't they answer? In parliament, they have nothing to speak, so they switch off the mics. When we raise the issues in the parliament, they always try to finish off the sessions. This is not the way you run a democracy. In simple words, we stand with democracy, and that is the reason BJP do not like it. The basic agenda is to finish off the democracy, to finish off the election system. They just want a dictatorship in this country. And that is the reason they are after the bill of one nation, one election. You try to understand, and this country have to understand, everybody have to understand that if you have to manage anything, even a company or any organization, a state or a country, we have to go into the pockets, knowing the people, knowing their need. The need of the Nagas people in the tribal area cannot be similar to the needs of the people living in the northern part of India, in the plain area, or with the people those who are living in the coastal areas. The needs are different. Issues are different. We have to go into the pockets to understand the issues, to resolve it. Ruling is not to gain the power. Ruling is to serve the people, to run this country as per the democracy, as per the system. But what we understand, that after coming into the power, even in the Nagaland, what BJP has done, you all have seen it. Where is the improvement? You show me any of the industries coming up over here. You show me any big commercialization over here. You show me the employment rate rising up over here. There is nothing. The basic infrastructure is still struggling. And they want to protest. In case if they would have given the energies on improvement of the system, at least one city like Dimapur could have been improvised. Forget about rest of the districts of Nagaland. There is still no water supply in the other parts of the Nagaland, in the other districts. So this is really very miserable and terrible situation. Instead, the people, those who are serving BJP, they should think about the need of the people of Nagas. They should think about the Christmas season. They should think about the integrity and the brotherhood of this country. They should think about the people. Instead, they always make up the mind to speak against Rahul Gandhi. They should speak with the truth and with the justice. This is what we can say. Thank you.
I don't know, I'm not very much familiar of this part, whether it's illegal or not, but is it illegal as per the Constitution of India or as per law to carry out a protest outside a political party or organizations, complex or whatsoever, by another party or by a different or by an opposite party?
As it's a democracy, so it's okay to protest, but under the jurisdiction and under the compliance of the concerned authorities and all. It should be under the knowledge of all the departments, and then only if you lead, then it's fine. But it has to be a peaceful one. It should not hamper any of the parties or public or people who are just uh, alongside and or in and around the premise where the protest is going on.
So you're saying that the BJYM did not take authorization or the police did not inform the Congress to carry out the protest outside the Congress Bhavan?
I think from our officials, what we have come to know is like we didn't get any such information from the department or any of the officials present here in this press conference who are under NPCC or DCC.
One question for you, sir. Yesterday during this protest, one of the leaders said that there was no development like we're getting a development now under BJP government. During Congress, there was no development in Nagaland. That's what one of the leaders said. So what do you have to say on it?
Okay. Then kindly ask the BJP leaders, those who have risen the question, that which party actually made this northeast part of India got amalgamated with the mainland of India? Who was the one who actually gave the best to rise up the states with the basic infrastructures? When did this railway stations and the other things came into the existence with the development? The basic infrastructure what the Dimapur or the Nagaland is enjoying today, it had been constructed when the Congress was here. And since after that, nothing has been taken care of. This they have to understand. And now also, even if they're trying to do 5% work, which is actually the 100% duty, so even that 5% is under the pressure that they have lost the Lok Sabha seat for the member of parliament in Nagaland. This is the bitter truth. And in the upcoming time, they know the reality that the public is going to remove them from the seat and the power.
So, coming back to my question, will the Congress be filing an FIR against the BJYM for not getting the authorization from the party to host the protest outside the Congress Bhavan? Because I believe this is a serious question issue. Or the allegations as being said by the party.
It's better to speak in Nagames.
Chalo.
Iniga ase itu issue do ami khan itu serious ase. Ami khan bi tate legal team ase. Legal team khan logote concern korgena ta khan la opor ki issue kurbo itu to kurbo. Oli bi in near future BJP khan nole bi kun la party oli bi itu bujibo lage. Ami khan ta khan to ami khan laga office found pra dharna kura laga issue te ami khan la de permission la nai. Kile mani sabe kon ba DC police commissioner pra issue tai khan ke permission digena thakle bi itu to tai khan lan hoy do Congress law property de kurse do. Second point to ki ase kole tai khan protest kurbo nimte Congress law dukan ban kurbo le ki authority thakse kon ke hudise aro third point to law enforcement kon ke be am khan ke iku no hudi gene inika suddenly am khan to age te kwaishena festive season ase niger laga bosti de jagena niger church khan logo de community de peacefully enjoy kurase suddenly am khan station de thaki gena jakra baji ulaise gole na kun laga rex kurwele thakse kun ito sabole thakse kun who will be take care of it aro jodi congress laga property damage hoise gole kun pra authorize dise am khan laga etu office front pra am khan laga lente boigena itu dharna gurbole kun authorize dise kun law enforcement pra authorize dise iman crowd ase jodi am khan station je thaki gena is a I can say it's a good luck that can be anything may happen holibe am khan bi niger laga de thakshi etu no le do inika manu laga আমি আগে দেবি কোয়াইছে না আমখান নাগা মানাসে কাস্টমারি লোতে আছে মানু লাগা গোটে যাইগে না মানুকে ইনসল্ট করা মানুকে বিয়া টর্চারিং করা ফোর্সফুল আনঅথরাইজ ইনকা করলে সব নাগা মানাসে সব মানুষ জানে আছে ইটু কিলা রিজন আছে পার্টি হলিবি আর মই বিজেপি খানকে গবলি মন থাকা তো না একটা স্টোরিতে থাকা আছে না কিকরা ব্রা আমা ব্রা ওলতা যায় বাচ্চা পে ওলতা যায় না সেন্টার ব্রা তখন বাই ফোর্স আছে ইয়াতে ডিমাপুরতে বি নাগাল্যান্ড স্টেটে বাই ফোর্স যাব নাকি আমি খান লানলে এনতে তো কংগ্রেস ল প্রপার্টিতে উইদাউট অথরাইজ আমি খান কোন কিব অথরাইজ দে নাই ইনিকা নেক্সট টাইম দিয়ে ইনিকা করব নদিব আর ফার্দার স্টেপ টু আমি খান তো ন্যাশনাল পার্টি আছে সব প্রটোকল আছে আমি খান তো লিগাল টিম আছে তা খান কি করব লাগে এইটো করব
So one last question from my end. So are you saying, are you claiming, is the Congress claiming that the protest yesterday by the BJYM was held under the property of Congress?
yes আমি খান লাগা দোকান দি তাতে দোকান বি বন্ধ করে দিগে না তাতে ওপরতে এইটো তাই খান তো সে ত্রিপাল লাগাই যেন থাকা বি সব খুলিবলৈ দি দিছে দোকান বন্ধ করে দিগে না এইটো প্রটেস্ট করে লৈছে এইটো তো আমি খান লা প্রপার্টি আছে এইটো মানুহ লা আৰু ফেষ্টিভ সিজন আছে এইটো দোকান ঘূৰা মানুহ বি এইটো পৰা পেট পালে আছে এইটো টাইম দিয়ে কমাব তাই খান 4 बजे आगे पर आगे ना बंद कर दिसे शुरू कर दिसे तो आमी खान लगा मानो ला ताई ताई लगा खांग राखिबो आमी खान ला खांग उठाइ लब का तो न होय तो इतुन जे इतु तो आमी खान ला प्रॉपर्टी से आमी खान इतु क्लेम करस
supplementing our president kali BJYM bra itu protest kura do ami anla premise bitor de kurise which is clearly a case of trespassing aman president ba konchina higher lote aro legal team consult kurina ki action do lage future itu piche de hi aman decide kuro